Okay, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Birashoboka yuko ushobora kuba warahuye n'akantu nk'aka ngaka muri Excel. Wafata document wayikopiya muri Excel ukabona bishemeza gutya, then ukibaza ni iki ubuze kubikoraho, ukagira ngo ni error yindi irimo, ni ikindi kintu kigoye, ni ikindi kintu gikomeye utabasha kwikoraho ubwawe, ndetse bikabana ngombwa yuko usaba ubufasha abandi bantu, ariko urabizi ko nawe wabyikorera. Muri video rero ngiye kukwereka uburyo wafata file nk'iyi wayikopiya muri Excel ikagenda gutya, ariko mu mwanya wo guhumbya ukabona ihindutse gutya nk'uko ubishaka. So reka nkwereke uko bikorwa.
Muri iyi video rero ngiye kubereka uburyo ushobora gufata file imeze gutya wayishyira muri Excel ikagenda gutya, ariko kandi ushobora kuyihindura gutya cyangwa se ukayihindura gutya. Ubu ni uburyo abantu benshi bikunda kubagora, ariko ngiye ndabereka inzira ebyiri ushobora kubikoreshamo bitewe na version ya Excel ufite. Uburyo bwa mbere ushobora kubukoresha kuri Excel yose waba ufite cyangwa se ukoresha. Ubundi buryo bwa kabiri ni ku bantu bafite Excel version iri update cyangwa se bakoresha Microsoft 365 version. Okay, so let me show you how to do that. Dufungure iyi file yacu. Imaze gufunguka, so reka dukore Ctrl A for select everything, then Ctrl C for copy, then tujye kuri Excel, dufungure file ya Excel. Okay, so nidukora Ctrl V for paste. Guys, you can see we have this file, kandi ibintu byose iyi nteruro yose ukunguku aka kantu kose mubona kari muri seri ya mbere. You can see ndamutse nje hano extendinga iyi seri, urabona ko ibintu byose biri muri seri imwe, which is not what we want. Kandi hano dufite transaction ID, timestamp, product ID, category, customer type, unit price. So byose dushaka kugira ngo bibe biri mu macolumn nkuko tuyibona hano hejuru. How to do that? So uraza ahangaha handitse data. So first of all, let's select everything. Tumaze guselectinga byose, so harimo abantu bari kwibaza kubera cyane atari selected. Wibuke yuko byose biri muri column imwe, even if nubwo byaba biri like this, it's like we are selecting everything. Okay, now tuza no kuri data. Nituza kuri data, uraza kubona kano kantu kanditse ngo text to column, text to column, then tukirikeho. So baratubaza delimiter. So biragende dushobora gukora kuri fixed width ku bugari runaka, cyangwa se tugende kuri delimiter. So nuza kwitegereza ibi bintu byacu, nuza kwitegereza iyi text yacu iri kugenda itandukanwa n'udukoma, koma 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 koma. So now we have delimiter. Delimiter no bango ikintu kigabanya iyi text ya text kwa nini ni iki kigiye kigabanyamo uduce ni comma. So delimiter, then we go to next, then tugenda kuri tab. Nureba hano hasi ni example yuko bari kuguha, it's like a preview. Tugende kuri tab, so nothing. Tugende kuri semicolon. Actually we don't have semicolon, is not our delimiter. Tugende kuri comma. Okay, you see now we have our data is separated, you can see now. Tugende kuri space. You can see if a delimiter is something else, you can put it here, then ugashiramo iyo delimiter yawe. So maybe it can be a person, ishobora kuba anything. Leka ishobora kuba slash, ishobora kuba 2 point, something like that. So ubu ngubu dufite ko ari comma. Let's go with comma, then let's go to next. So next hano urabona ibintu byose dufite hano, ushobora kuba ati okay, if everything when it's fine, when you go to time, so you can do anything here. So let's go to finish. Okay guys, when you go to finish, you see now text yacu igabanyijemo ibice. Here is just we can do something to see clearly what we have. Now ubu ni uburyo bwa mbere dushobora gukora. So ushaka kubihinduramo table, it is simple. We go to Control A to select everything, then Control T just to make ibintu byose dushaka ko bijya muri table nukuva he kugera hehe. So we want everything. So now you can go to okay. Now we have a table like this. Okay, now the second option, which is very easy, aho tutari buze kunyura muri izi nzira zose, it is simple. We have new column, so we go to data here, then we go to from text or CSV file. So dufite aka kantu kafungutse tujye gushaka text ya chaniri. We go to test desktop, so then reka tujye kuri sample data, new file yacu, then we import. While importing, icyo iyi Excel iri buze gukora, iri buze kureba the file of the type of file we are trying to import, is comparinga na Excel, like so turabivuga gute, ikintu Excel iza gukora irafata ya text ize kwireba ukuntu yakabaye imeze muri Excel, yageze kuduha sample y'ukuntu twakabaye tu importing. So it ikora ibintu byose. Urabona nkahangaha file origin ni ngiyi, then yahise identifying delimiter. So if it's not like that, we can change anything that we want from here. Ariko so cause twamaze kubona yuko delimiter is the comma, so now iraguha preview based on 200 rows. So nubona it's okay, you go to load. Nubona ko hari ibindi ugomba gukoraho, you can go to transform data. This one we call it Power Query. So now let's go to load. We load file cause tumaze kuona yuko we can go with that. So now our data is loaded successfully, and now we can see everything here. Okay, so you can go on and do anything that you want from here cause our data is loaded successfully. I hope guys you like my video. So niba kunze video yanjye ntugende udakoze subscribe, cyangwa se usharinge kugira n'abandi bantu babone iyi trick, so kugira ngo izajye savinga akazi kawe ka buri munsi. Okay, wakoze kuri video yanjye, kandi niba wayikunze ushaka kuyisharinga n'abandi bakayibona. So hope guys urakora subscribe kuri channel yanjye. Thank you, bye.